Hello everybody, welcome to Make Money Tips with Techland. My name is Lena and today I'm going to be showing you more ways to make money online. So the opportunity that I'm going to be talking about today is global opportunity, and you can apply from anywhere in this world. So I'll just go ahead and get started immediately. So the website that I'm going to be talking about today is Go Transcript. Was founded in 2005 in Edinburgh, Scotland. During that time, we discovered that audio transcription was a big pain point for both customers and transcribers. Customers had a hard time finding a high quality and reliable transcription service. The transcribers had to spend undue amounts of time and effort to transcribe and struggled to maintain the quality when faced with large numbers. We decided to focus on audio transcription, build a system that had quality checks and balances inbuilt into the process, minimize the manual effort required for transcription, and could handle large volumes. So that's it for the introduction. So I will go ahead and look at I'm just gonna go ahead and look at generally what this website offers. So you're gonna be seeing transcription, captions, text translation, audio translation, foreign subtitles. So today I'm gonna be looking at transcription, which they pay from 0.84 per minute. So just go ahead and go all the way down. I want to show you how to apply for this transcription job. So you're gonna go all the way down. So like you can see, we got all this here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to work. So before I just do that, let me just go back again. So I'm gonna go all the way down to here. Or I'm just focusing on the last two parts. So like you can see here, there are special types of transcriptions. There's focus group transcription, legal transcription, medical transcription, academic transcription, research transcription, verbatim transcription. So I'm going to show you how to apply for the transcription job that you need today. So you're going to go to work down here, and then you're going to go, as you can see here, it shows transcription jobs available worldwide. So you're gonna join, you're gonna come here and click here, want to join. And then you're gonna listen to this short video here, working as a transcriber. They're gonna give you like the information that you need. You're gonna listen to that video. And then you come down here, we pay competitive rates for online transcription jobs. So per audio you get 0.60 per audio minute, or mostly you can get like around $50 average earnings per month. Top earnings like 1,215, but this is not limited, as you can do as much as you want. You can work as hard as you want. Not buying and selling a Go Transcript account is illegal. If you buy an account, you will lose money because we have implemented safeguards to prevent illegal account purchases. So SMS verification, we send you an SMS with a code. You will need to verify it on your phone. So face during registration, you're gonna do that. Face photo, and then you're gonna have real-time photo with verification code written on paper. So when you come down here, you're gonna see that you can do the transcription jobs at home as long as you have an internet connection and a computer, and you get paid for paper, and then work flexible hours, as little or as much as you want. Then you're going to receive great support, choose your own projects, grow your skills, enjoy work variety, stay busy. So you don't have to worry about all that. And then you're going to come down here, there's jobs, languages, the ones that you speak. We have so many different languages here. So I'm gonna go back. We're currently only hiring for a transcriber position. See, they're hiring right now, so we're gonna go back here and apply now, and you're gonna choose what you want to apply in. You're gonna apply in English, or Spanish, depending on what you want to apply in. Fill out the information and just follow the steps and apply for this job. So that's all for today, and please go ahead and apply for this position as a transcriber. If you need like a part-time job to do, or a side hustle, or anything that you want to do, just go ahead and apply, because this is a great opportunity for you and you can work from anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for staying till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.